How's everybody doing today? Keto family, Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make your very own keto coffee. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Friends, family, co-workers, Facebook groups, Instagram, anybody you want to. You have my permission. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Cullum Jess Islip. Thank you so much for your video recommendation. This is for you, man, and everyone else. In fact, if you have a video suggestion, leave it in the comment section down below. And if it's a good idea for a video, I'll make a video on it. And guess what? I'll give you a shout out right in that video. All right, so keto coffee, another name for this is bulletproof coffee. Now, this is an amazing treat on the ketogenic diet, but I will say it is very calorically dense. It has a lot of calories, at least 400 to 600 calories just in this one coffee. So be careful when you're allocating calories because calories will add up if you're consuming this once or even twice a day. I'm going to show you how to make this right now. All right, so we're going to first start off with 7 ounces of hot water. We're going to add a tablespoon of butter. All right, let that sit in there for about a minute to soften the butter. All right, it's been about a minute. As you can see, the butter has dissipated quite a bit in the hot water. So now we're gonna add some coffee. In my case, I drink decaf. So I'm gonna add about 1.5 teaspoons. Then I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of Hershey's Cocoa Special Dark. A little shake of ground cinnamon. And a little bit of sea salt. And 7 drops of stevia extract. You could add more liquid stevia if you like it sweeter or less. And finally, 1 tablespoon of walnut oil. And now I'm going to fill this up with almond milk. Unsweetened, of course. And now we're going to blend it. All right, it's done. Keto coffee, it looks great. All right, now for a taste test. I have my keto coffee right here. It looks incredible, by the way. This is amazing. Wow, smells like heaven. I can smell the cinnamon. Man, that is delicious. Incredible. This tastes just as good, if not better, than any coffee you're going to get outside. This is amazing. Absolutely delicious. That's what gives it the froth, is the butter right here. That's the butter right there that was melted. Give your butter time to melt in the water, because if not, you may get a little bit of clumps in the coffee, which taste okay, but it's not visually pleasing or texturally pleasing. Another name for this is bulletproof coffee. I used the Popbabies portable blender. It does say on the side of it, no bulletproof coffee or hot drink. Keep that in mind. That's why I filled it halfway. Then I filled it with another cold liquid, so it wasn't really hot. It was more or less warm. So keep that in mind as well when using a portable blender like the Popbabies blender. A link is down below in the description if you want to check it out on Amazon. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Matt Troy signing out.